Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manage the alignment of different objects in your Google Vids scenes. So you're working on a Google Vids scene and you've got some alignment issues. You want to make sure that everything is lined up properly. And this one is kind of weird to understand if you're not used to doing it. Basically, if you have a number of different objects, right, so I'm going to grab these two pill-shaped text boxes again. Uh, they are two different ones. I've selected them both. In order to select both, I can select one and then hit Control and then select the second one, and I can do that multiple times if I have more than one object. They are both selected now. Actually, I'm going to change this just a bit. I'm going to move this one over so that it is not aligned, and then I'm going to grab both items, and notice I get this blue box that goes around sort of that entire space. So one of the strange things about how the align tool works is when you're aligning multiple items, it only aligns within the space defined by those items. It does not consider the size of the entire scene. So now that I've got those selected, if I go to the Arrange menu and I go to Align, if I align to the right, it's not going to push everything to the right of the scene. It's just going to push everything to the right of that space. Right? See what happened there? It didn't go all the way. It just met everything on the right-hand side. If I do the same thing, and let's say I do center, I just missed it. Then it centers it. And if I do the same thing and do like bottom, it'll push everything to the bottom. But it only does so in the space defined by those objects. It does not use the entire scene as it considers the space on which to align these different objects. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.